Folks, see, I would like to tell you something, folks. This is scanner class, whatever that we are discussing now. This is scanner class we use to practice the initial Java programming. Which I'm trying to tell you is that there are two things I have to explain you. It's mandatory for everyone to understand it. Okay. When you are a beginner, suppose now you started learning Java. You want to write a dynamic program. Dynamic program means which should accept the input from user. Am I right? To take the input from user, there is a class given that is called scanner. Is it clear? Point number 2. When you take any real-time example, means if you take any real-time application, in a real-time application, input will not be taken from console. Console, I mean from command prompt. See, suppose if you want to log into your Gmail account, suppose you want to log into your Facebook account, or you want to log into your X account, Twitter account. Are you guys going to provide your username and a password in the command prompt? Suppose you want to log into your Gmail account, are you going to provide your username and a password in the command prompt?
No.
No. You have a beautiful page which is called login page, and that page is designed through the technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, something like that. You have a beautiful login page where you could enter your username and password. Am I clear? Then you click on the submit button so that the input will be sent. Tell me how the real-time applications will take the input from the user. Folks, in the real time, how the input will be taken from the users? Suppose you are a user, okay, and there is a Gmail application. Gmail application wants your username and a password. How it is taking the username and a password from you?
Through UI.
Through UI. There is a text box. There is another text box which is to enter the password. Then you need to click on the submit button so that you people can able to send a request. Am I right? This is called a web page designed through some HTML, CSS, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Tell me in real time, how the user input is captured. Means how a project or an application or a program takes input from the user in the real time from these web pages. Did you got my point? Because you all of you are having Gmail account. You are going to log into your Gmail account. Means what? Gmail is an application taking the input from you and giving your inbox mails as output. So in this scenario, how does it is taking the input from you? It's taking the input from you by through web page. But when you are writing our Java programs and when you're trying to start working with Java now, to make our program as a dynamic program, which class we are using? Scanner. This scanner class will take the input from command prompt. Input from user from command prompt. Hey, did you got my point? Yes. Finally, what you can understand is this scanner class is given to take the input from user from where? Command prompt. But this scanner class cannot be used to take the input from web page. Is this point clear to all of you online folks? Online people?
Yes.
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 Yes. Now let's come to the point. Based on this, my point is, means what point I would like to stress is, this scanner class we are going to use just to practice our programs. But in the real time, you don't use scanner class to take the input from the user. What will be there instead of taking the input from command prompt? What will be there in the real time? web page will be there. You got the difference now? Which means scanner class you have to use to practice your initial Java programming to take the input from the user from command prompt. Did you guys got the clarity now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Folks, let's come back to the point, everyone. Folks, let's come back to the point, everyone. Am I clear so far? Am I clear so far? Everybody, am I clear so far, folks? Back to the point. Yesterday I told you, there are methods like next int to read an integer value, next double to read, next boolean, next line like this. What are all these various methods in scanner class to take the input from where? From the user into the program. From where it will take input? From the command prompt. From command prompt only we are going to enter the input. Okay? Back to the scenario, back to the concept. Folks, listen. Today, just we'll start writing a small Java program which should accept the input from the user as two input values, like let's say A and B. Folks, are you getting my point? We should accept the input from the user like A and B, and then it should display A power B value. For example, if I give the input values as 2 and 3, the first number is 2, second number is 3, it should calculate 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2. Did you get my point? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Output should be 8. Am I clear, folks? If I give, for example, 9 and 2, which means 9 power 2. 9 9 is 81. I would like to find A power B. Tell me how many inputs required in this case? There are 2 inputs required. How many? 2 inputs are required. A first number required and also second number required. Both are integer values. Did you get my point? To take the first number and also to take the second number from command prompt, which class I'm going to use in my program? Scanner. So tell me, scanner is used for what? To take the input from the user. System.out.println statement used to write the output to the monitor. Did you get my point? Online folks, did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's go ahead, guys. Yeah, please understand me. Today we are writing a program. Again, I'm going to use Notepad++. I'm going to use Notepad++, folks. Everyone? Yeah. Then after that, we will understand about how do we install the Eclipse IDE. Yeah, just let us decrease the font. They think this much big font is not required. Am I clear, folks? Let's go ahead and write the program. Let's create a new program here. I said already, how do you write a comment for single line comment and multi-line comment? If I wanted a single line comment, I should use 2 forward slashes. This is called the way of writing single line comment. Comment is not compiled by the Java compiler. Comment is a line ignored by the compiler. Did you get my point, folks? Let's go ahead and understand. See, this program finds A power B. Am I clear, folks? Folks, am I clear? This program finds A power B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's go ahead, folks. Everybody need to understand here. Tell me what the first statement of writing a Java program?
Class.
Package statement. As of now, we are not writing any package statement. We leave it. What's the second statement of writing the Java program? Import statement. Earlier, we have not written an import statement on our second program and first program. But today, we are writing that import statement. We have a
Java.
keyword.
Yes.
We have a keyword called import. If you want to use one class in other class, you have to import the class. I have to use a scanner class in my class now. In my
Yes.
today's program, in my today's class, I have to use a scanner class. If I want to use one class in other class, what should I do? I have to import the class. I told you yesterday, in which package of Java that scanner class is provided. Package means a group of classes, a bundle. Multiple bundles are there in Java. Bundle 1 with the name java.lang. Bundle 2, java.util. Bundle 3, java.awt. Like that. Bundle 4, java.net. Bundle 5, java.time. Bundles of classes are there. Okay. From which bundle this scanner class is coming out?
Java.util.
Java.util. So I have to import that class now. Which keyword I'm going to use? Import space java.util.scanner semicolon. Hey guys, did you got the statement now?
Mhm.
So I'm not writing package statement because as of now I don't want to touch any package statement. But today I got a requirement to write import statement. So I did that. What's the next one, folks?
Create
After
class.
package statement, after import statements, what could be the next one? Class. Hey, folks, am I clear, folks? Class. Some name I should give. Okay, let's give. So, what's the name?
Power.
Power. Okay. Power code or power class or something like any name that I can write. So I just want to say class name as power, P capital letter. I'll tell you the naming conventions later, but follow the way how I'm writing. Okay, P capital power. Open the curly brace. Can you tell me what's the syntax of writing main method in Java, folks? Public, static, void main, string,
System.
array, args. Open the curly brace again. Curly brace I can open in the next line, or even I can also open that flower bracket in the same line. The better approach is you must write in the same line. The better approach is you must write in the same line. So in the same line, I'm just going to start the curly brace. This is called flower bracket. There is another flower bracket. Am I clear, folks? Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Cool. Let's go ahead, guys. Here I'm creating scanner object. So can you tell me how do you create a scanner object?
Scanner.
I'm writing a comment, okay? Creating scanner object. Tell me how do you create the scanner object here?
Scanner SC.
Scanner SC equals to new scanner of system.in. Is this way? I told yesterday this is a statement used to create scanner object. What's the name of the object?
SC.
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 Yes, very good. Folks, tell me when somebody executes my program, whenever some user executes my program, somebody executing my program, then tell me my program should ask the user. What my program should ask the user? Please enter the first value.
Yes.
Am I right? Please enter the first number. And then please enter the second number so that it will print a power b value. First number is a, second number is b. Then calculate a power b, display the output. Is it clear to all of you folks? Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Folks, now what I'm saying is, hey, system.out.println,
Enter the first number.
enter the first number. Okay, try to understand the program, folks, okay, na? Because basics are very important. System.out.println, enter the first number. Then tell me that guy will enter the first number. Folks, everybody getting my point? The guy will enter the first number. Whoever is running my program, suppose if I am only running my program, then tell me what my program will ask me. It will show me a message, enter the first number. Then I will understand I have to enter the first number. I'm going to type the first number. Whenever I enter my first number, that first number gets stored into one variable.
Yes.
Yes. Int
Num.
a equals to or num1 equals your choice. A equals to sc
Dot.
dot
Next,
next
int.
int. Do you know what this method will do? This method will read
Re-
input.
Enter first.
Which type of input? Integer. Tell me it will store that number. The statement will read the input number. And this number will be assigned to which variable? A. A is which type of variable? Int. Means what? It cannot store decimal point value. It will occupy how many bytes of memory? Int. Yesterday I told you, na? Int occupies how many bytes of memory? 4 bytes. Char occupies 2 bytes. Boolean occupies
1 bit.
1 bit. Exactly. 1 bit. Byte occupies 1 byte. We have already all these things, folks, in the document. In this document, see, yesterday I have written byte occupies how many? 1 byte. Short occupies 2 bytes. Int occupies 4
Four
bytes. That's what I'm asking you. Long occupies how many? 8 bytes. Float 4 bytes. Double 8 bytes. Boolean 1 bit. Char occupies 2 bytes. Hey, folks, in online, did you got my point? Yesterday only we discussed all these things.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Tell me next. System.out.println. What? Enter the second number. Okay. Then tell me, after entering the first number, then this program will ask the user to enter the second number. Then user will enter the second number from keyboard. Then that number should be stored into one more variable called b. Then can you tell me what's the statement, right? What's the statement to write here?
Int B.
Everybody,
Int
folks. Online
Int
folks,
B.
everybody, please respond. Yeah.
Int B.
Yeah, int b equals to
SC
sc
dot
dot
next
next
int.
int, semicolon. Hey, everybody got the clarity on this?
Yes.
Now, now we should calculate a power b. What we should calculate? A power b. That's what our intention. To calculate a power b, we don't have any operator. See, folks, I think you can understand easily, right? Plus is an operator which can add the two numbers a plus b. Right? Let's say a slash b to divide a with b, division operator, subtraction operator minus a minus b, a into b. Hey folks, everyone, tell me, do we have any operator to calculate power? What I'm saying is, okay, don't think on this. We don't have any operator. Am I clear, folks?
Yeah.
We don't have any operator to calculate what? A power b. But in Java, there is a method available called POW. What is the method name? POW of A comma B. What it will calculate? A power B. Hey, everyone, am I clear? Folks, everyone, am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Folks, understand. I have to call this method with the math dot. I'll tell you what is this later. Everyone. Folks, please understand me. How do you calculate a power b in Java? Remember this statement. How do you write? Math dot POW of a comma b. Store the result into another variable, double some variable like result is equal to. Hey, everyone in online? Everyone in online, folks?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Tell me
Yes,
how
sir.
to calculate a power b in Java?
With
Math
the power
dot
method.
math dot m capital math dot POW of a comma b. It will calculate what? A power b. Store the variable result into one variable called result. Then system dot out dot println output. Just I'm writing output plus result. Then close this main. Folks, then close this class. Am I clear? Online folks, am I clear?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now tell me which name I need to store this program or save this program.
Power.
POW power. Power is my class name. Tell me control yes to save it. Where I want to store it? In C
In-
drive, I have a folder called core Java.
Yes, sir.
Before you save as is there na?
All type.
Change to what?
All
All
type.
types on the top, there is all types. File name is there. Enter the
Yes.
file name there. What's the file name?
Power dot Java.
Power dot.
Java.
Save it. Guys, are you practicing every day? Are you practicing the first? Have you practiced the first program and second program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
please do practice. Please do practice because Java needs more practice than you will get. Okay. So you can easily learn in Java. I will make you in such a way that you feel very comfortable with programming in Java. Okay. Folks, am I clear so far? Can I compile this program now?
Yes, sir.
My program I have written. I should compile my program? Yes. Let's go ahead, folks. Please understand me. Open the command prompt. Tell me how do I change my current location to C drive? How could I change? CD space slash CD space slash. Then tell me this command will move my control directly to C drive. The root folder is C there.
Yes.
Yes. But tell me now, inside this, tell me now, I should enter into one folder called core Java where my program is saved. Tell me how can I change to core Java folder? CD space core Java. Am I clear? Tell me where is cursor is blinking now. Cursor is under which folder? Core Java. What should I do then? What should I do then?
Java C.
Java C is to compile. What's the name?
Power.
Power dot Java. Guys, it's compiled.
Yes.
Do I have any errors? No errors are there. If there are any errors, it will show there. Suppose I missed semicolon. Suppose I missed writing the closing bracket. Definitely it'll give me error. But as of now, there is no syntax mistake. Then what should I do? Run the program. Power. Folks, tell me what happens when I say Java space power. It is going to execute now. What's asking me? Enter the first number. Say first number is 5. Enter the second number 3. It's calculating what? 5 power 3. 5 5 is 25. 25 into 5, 125. Is it clear? What is going to be the output now? 125. Output is 125. Okay, dot 0 leave it, but 125. Is it clear now? Online folks, did you get the point?
Yes.
Everyone? Have you got this program?
Yes.
This is the first program we written to take the input from the user, am I right? This is the first program we have written to take the input from the user. So I
Yes.
just want to copy this program code, folks, and I want to paste here. Okay. And I just want to write today's date over here. Hi. Today's date here. Folks, I'm writing today's date because we started this program today. It's 3rd May 2024. This program finds a power b. Did you got, everybody got the concept, folks? Initially, some programming is required, folks. Okay, right. Cool, guys. If I want to run the program again, do I need to compile the program again? I want to run the program for one more time. What should I do? I need to compile my program again, or can I run the program directly? I can able to run my program directly, am I right?
Yes.
So what should I write? Java space what? Power.
Power.
That's it. How many times I have to compile my program?
Once.
One time.
If I want to run my program 10 times, what should I do? Just compile the program once, but you can run the program 10 times. So enter the first number. Please understand, folks. Enter the first number, 5. Okay, first number is 5. And enter the second number. Second number is 2. I could enter anyone, right? Or second number could be 7. Means what I want to calculate. I would like to calculate 5 power
Power 7.
7. 5 power 7 I want to calculate. Did you get my point? For the output now? 78,125. Did you guys got the concept? Everyone, folks, did you got the concept, folks?
Yes, sir.
78,125. Am I clear?
Mm.
Yes. So the program is ready. Next, folks. Okay. I am writing output here. For the output you are getting, first what is the output you are getting? Enter the first number. For the first number, for example, you have entered 5. Enter the second number. For the second number you enter, for example, 3. Then what is the output now? 125. Hey guys, you got the point now? You got the point, right? Everyone, folks. Now let's start with the second program. Tell me, this program is static program or a dynamic program?
Dynamic program.
Dynamic program, because every time it is not going to give the same result. It is taking input, based on the input it is giving output. Nothing but it is static or dynamic. Dynamic program. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. Because of which class? Because of which class used in this program we are making it as dynamic program?
Scanner.
Because of scanner class. Am I clear, right? So scanner class can be used for what? Scanner class can be used for what? To take the input from the user. Is it clear? Yes. So that it will make our program as a dynamic program. Let us try writing one more program. We'll practice 2-3 programs so that you will get more convenient. The next program is, see folks. Everybody, okay. Let's try like this. I want to write a program, folks. Everybody, I want to write a program to convert a Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value. I think in chemistry somewhere you might find the formula. Otherwise, we will ask the Google so that Google give us the formula at least. But what we should do, we wanted a program to convert the given Celsius value into equivalent Fahrenheit value. For example, 36 degrees Celsius is equal to 98 Fahrenheit, our body temperature. Okay, in Celsius, our body temperature could be 36. In Fahrenheit value, it is 98.4 something. Folks, online folks, are you getting my point? Everyone in online, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So what is our next program, folks? What are you understanding on my next program? What is our intention?
Converting Celsius to Fahrenheit.
Converting a Celsius value to the
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit value. Hey, observe it. Let's ask the Google. Formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. We want formula. Everybody, folks, are you getting my point? We want a formula to convert where to where? Celsius to Fahrenheit. See, folks, what is the formula to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit? There is a formula here. Okay, let me zoom it so that you can able to see. Folks, if you want to get the result in Fahrenheit, what is the formula? Celsius into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. By using this formula, we can convert any given temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. What is the formula? C is the Celsius value into 9 by 5 plus 32. This is a formula for what? For converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's try this program. Hey guys, did you understand the program? Did you understand what program we are going to write now? Okay, tell me what is the input? Yes, Celsius value. What's the output? Fahrenheit value. I'll write a comment, folks. In multiple lines, I'm writing comment. As of now, I'm typing in Notepad, Notepad++. Next, we will start writing the programs in IDEs. We'll start with Eclipse IDE, we'll start with VS Code IDE, Visual Studio Code IDE, IntelliJ. We'll write on different IDEs. Am I clear, folks? Online folks, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yes. This program converts a given Celsius value. Okay. A given Celsius value to Fahrenheit. I'm writing multiple lines in comment. Okay, in multiple lines I'm writing comment, folks. Tell me, folks, what's the formula? The formula is, guys, tell me what the formula? F equal to C into 9 divided by 5 plus
32.
32.
32.
Is everybody got the clarity on this? Folks, everybody got the clarity on this?
Yes, sir.
Fahrenheit, some variable F is equal to C into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. I want to close this comment. Tell me, folks, what's the first statement in writing the program? The first statement of writing the program is package statement. But we don't want that package statement as of now. What's the second statement? Import. Import java dot util dot scanner. This class we want to import. If at all you want to use one class in another class, what you have to do? Import it. Yes, we are importing. Okay, clear? Folks, class, what should be the name? Some class name? Some class name? I want to give a class name, meaningful name like this. Celsius to Fahrenheit is a class name. Hey, some big name but meaningful name. Celsius to Fahrenheit. Is it clear? Tell me what the syntax of writing main method in Java. Public, static, void, main, string, what? Array, args. I will explain what is public, static, void, main after some classes. We'll understand. But remember, is a main method syntax in Java. What's the main method syntax in Java? Public, static, void, main, string, args. Did you guys got the point? Celsius to Fahrenheit is the class name. Create scanner object. Tell me, this is a comment only, na? Here I'm writing comment in multiple lines or single line. If at all you wanted a single line comment, then it use 2 forward slashes. 2 forward slashes is for what? Single line comment. Am I clear now? Folks, everybody. Everyone, online folks.
Yes.
Okay. What we are creating here? Scanner object. Tell me, how do you get a scanner object? Scanner.
Scanner SC equals to new scanner
Yes.
bracket system dot in.
Parenthesis system.in. Am I clear? Okay, folks.
Yeah.
System.out.println. Enter the Celsius value. Enter the Celsius value. Are you clear, folks? Folks,
Yes,
are you
sir.
clear? Enter the Celsius value. I can give Celsius value in double also. 36.4. I can give, na? Or 37.1. I can give input in double. Double mean decimal point value. It's not integer value. It is what? Decimal point value. It's a double. So tell me, folks. Double some variable C is equal to SC dot next double. Folks, tell me what this statement will do. It will read the double value given by the user from keyboard. That will be assigned to which variable? C. So tell me, folks, I got the Celsius value. Now tell me, what should I do? I have to convert this into Fahrenheit now. What's the formula? Double F is equal to C into, what I am writing is 9 divided by 5 within the parenthesis plus 32. Hey, got my point? Means what I am telling? I am telling the JVM that first calculate 9 divided by 5. Then you multiply C with 9 divided by 5. Then you add 32. Okay. First, which one is calculated? Tell me. 9 divided by 5 is calculated. Then C is multiplied with that value. Then 32 will be added. It becomes what? Fahrenheit. Online people, you are not responding. Please tell me, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, please listen like that. Okay, thank you. Okay. Fahrenheit value plus, I told you plus is for concatenating the value. This is the string as it is printed. Plus next, what's the result to be printed? What's the output? It is there in a variable called F. Close this main, folks. Now you close the main method. Then you close the class. Everyone, I want to save this program. First, I have to change save as type to all types. Now tell me what's the file name. First of all, tell me what is my class name. Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit. Yes. Celsius to Fahrenheit.java. Foreign, F-O-R-E-N. Yeah. Fahrenheit.java. Am I clear, folks? Save it. Now tell me next step is how to compile it. Next step is how to compile it. Yes. What should I say? Java C Celsius to Fahrenheit.java. Folks, compile. How to run this program? Celsius to Fahrenheit. Am I clear? Enter. Asking for Celsius value. For example, 36.5. 36.5 Celsius value. What's the Fahrenheit value? 68.5. Everybody getting my point? 36.5 is Celsius value. Fahrenheit value? 68.5. That's a equivalent Fahrenheit value. Able to follow me? Right. Okay. If I give some output we are getting 39.2 Celsius value. Fahrenheit value 71.2. Am I clear, folks? Folks, everyone. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah. So we are getting the output like this now. Good. Good. This program, let's copy. What is the reverse program? See, this program is converting what to what? Online, folks.
Celsius to Fahrenheit.
Yes. This program is converting
Celsius to Fahrenheit.
Celsius to Fahrenheit. Similarly, what's the next program? Guys, you can think the next program.
Fahrenheit to Celsius.
Reverse now. What's the reverse? Fahrenheit to Celsius. Take the input into your program as Fahrenheit value, convert it into Celsius value. So tell me again, formula will be there. Tell me, guys, which formula we want here? How to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius? Folks, are you getting my point? See the formula, guys. Guys, formula to convert, okay, to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. What's the formula here? You can see the formula. C is equal to 5 divided by 9 into F minus 32. Guys, this is a formula for what?
Celsius.
Fahrenheit to Celsius.
Fahrenheit to
Fahrenheit to Celsius.
Celsius. What's the formula? 5 divided by 9 into F minus 32. Okay, folks. I'm writing here. I'm writing here or I'm copying here. Please understand me. Guys, what's the formula? What's the formula? C is equal to 5 divided by 9 into F minus. This is for what? This is for what, folks? Yes, to convert
Celsius.
Fahrenheit to
Celsius.
Yeah. Online people and offline people, please start writing the program for this. I will wait for 2-3 minutes. Start writing the program. Write the program. You have already the previous program. Now next program is what? Next program is what, folks?
Fahrenheit to Celsius.
Yes, you are writing a program to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Write the import statement, write the class, write the main method, create scanner object. I will wait for 2 minutes, folks. Please complete the program. Yeah, folks, please try to complete the program. The formula is here. You have to take the input in Fahrenheit and your program should display the output in Celsius. You create a scanner object, you write an SOP statement, please enter Fahrenheit value, take that into variable F, then apply this formula, display system.out.println, output is C, Celsius value is C. This is a program for converting what to what? Fahrenheit to
Celsius.
Celsius. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, now some programs, initial programs will help you to write the basic programs. So our intention is to know how to write the simple Java programs initially. And we want to make the programs as dynamic programs, not the static programs. Dynamic programs means it should take the input from the user, and based on the given input, it should display the output. That is called dynamic program. Yes. If I directly take double f is equal to 98.4, if I run that program first time, foreign heat value is 98.4. Second time, again the program foreign heat value is 98.4. Third time also 98.4, means always output will be same because I'm not changing the input. That is called what kind of program? Static program. But if I want to make my program as a dynamic program, I should take the input from user. To take the input from user, I need to use a class called scanner. Am I right, folks? Online folks, did you get the reason why we are using scanner? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Folks, next program. See, this program I will explain, and this program you people have to complete. I will explain only. I want to tell you today, how can we write a Java program to calculate the EMI value? Suppose if somebody takes a loan, okay, for example, a guy has took 2 lakhs rupees loan for an interest rate of 12% per annum for a tenure of 12 months. 12 months means 1 year. Then he has to pay some EMI every month. That how that EMI is calculated, for that we have a formula. EMI calculation formula. We have to write a Java program. Our Java program should take all these inputs. Can you tell me, folks, online folks also, please tell me, what are the inputs required to the program for calculating the EMI? What are the inputs required for the Java program to calculate the EMI? Okay. Online folks, you're not
The
responding,
principal
folks.
amount
Yeah, principal amount.
Interest rate.
of interest
Yes, rate of interest.
and the time, like how
Tenure.
long it is.
Yeah, tenure.
Tenure.
That's called tenure. Correct. 3 inputs required. What are the 3 inputs to calculate EMI? One is principal amount. How much amount that you are taking as loan? Principal amount. Next, interest rate, rate of interest. Third, tenure in months. If you have these 3 values, what you can do? You can calculate the EMI, how much monthly installment. EMI stands for? EMI stands for, anybody can tell me without asking Google?
Equal monthly installment.
Yeah, it is equated.
Equate.
Yes. Equated monthly installment. That's called EMI abbreviation. Equated monthly installment, that is called EMI. Okay. Folks, there is a formula to calculate EMI. Okay. I'll show you the formula. Please understand, try to write program for this. I'll give this program as a work to you, but first I will show you the formula. Formula to calculate EMI. Folks, what the formula you are getting? EMI is equal to P into R into 1 plus R power N divided by 1 plus R power N minus 1. I'll tell you. Folks, I'll write here. I'll write here. Tell me, folks, what's the formula for calculating EMI? EMI equal to P into R into 1 plus R power N. N means number of months. N is number of months, tenure, divided by divided by 1 plus R power N a bit tricky one, but you please try it. Otherwise, I'll give you the answer, but minus 1. Guys, did you got the point? This is the formula for calculating what? EMI. P into R into 1 plus R power N divided by 1 plus R power N minus 1. Guys, folks, online folks,
Yes, sir.
everybody online folks, did you get my point?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Here R is what? Rate of interest. Rate of interest. You know, rate of interest is per annum. For example, people say that 9.6 rate of interest, housing loan, 9.6 rate of interest per annum. It is per annum, but you have to convert it into per month. How to calculate per month? Suppose you have a rate of interest is per annum. For example, I have a variable called PA, means per annum rate of interest. Okay, but how to convert it into monthly rate of interest? R is equal to, R means monthly rate of interest, is equal to PA divided by 12 divided by 100. This is a formula. Tell me, when you're taking input from keyboard, you're taking what rate of interest? Rate of interest per annum. Convert that into per month. How to calculate into per month? Per annum divided by 12 divided by 100. It will give you per month rate of interest. Then here in this formula, R means per annum rate of interest or per month rate of interest? Per month rate of interest, not annum. Per month. How to calculate that per month rate of interest? Per annum rate of interest divided by 12 divided by 100. I have given all the inputs, but I would like to see how you people can write program for this. Can you write the program for this? Tomorrow you have to tell me that yes, I did this program. You have to do it in your computer also. I mean, in your laptop or your system. Okay, guys, are you getting online, folks?
Yes.
Please give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Aksh, yes. Okay. Samir, okay. Good. Lakshmi, okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay. Isma Tunisa, yes. Rajalakshmi, yes. Harika. Shatakshi
Yes,
Priya.
Yes. sir.
Shashikant. Everybody, will you write the program for this, folks?
Yes.
Will you write this program? Yeah. What is the program? What is the program right now? Calculating EMI. What is the input required to calculate EMI? Principal amount, here represented with P. Tenure in months, represented with N. Not years. N is months.
No,
1
months.
year means 12 months, like that. What is R? Rate of, but rate of interest you are taking in per annum. Convert it into per month. This is a formula. This R is rate of interest per month, not per annum. When you take input, you take in per annum. Convert it into per month. Then apply this formula. You know how to calculate power? 1 plus R power N. Tell me how to calculate power in Java. Today our first program is what?
Math
Math
dot power.
Math dot
POW.
POW is to calculate power only, na?
Yes.
So you have everything with you. My request to all of you is please try to write the program for this. Okay? And try to practice the program also. And try to see really you are getting the correct result or not. Or is there any mistake in my formula? Okay? Calculate all those things. Online folks, am I clear?
Yes,
sir.
Yes. Please do this. Please do it. By tomorrow, you have to complete this program so that if you have any doubt or if you have any error in the program, I will resolve it. Okay? And tomorrow we will continue. As I said, our sessions will be from Monday to Saturday, including Saturday. So we have the session tomorrow also. Only we don't have a session on Sunday. Now, in future, in upcoming classes, if I feel that because we are at the beginning, very beginning of writing small Java programs, I would like to teach very slowly so that everybody can understand. Later on, we'll speed up the class. Okay, folks? Am I clear? Because once you got the basics somewhat, then you will get confidence. So if I explain bit faster, not very fast, but at least bit fast, you can cope up. You can able to understand what I'm speaking out. Okay? That's why I'm explaining the programs, the basic things very slowly. Okay, folks? Because some of you guys are from mechanical background or some of you from computer science background or civil background like that. So to make everybody to understand, I'm just, explaining the code and the programs in the initial classes very, very slow. Okay, folks, is everybody understanding? Online folks,
Yes.